Ina with Innichkachef and welcome to my kitchen. Today in episode we are making spaghetti, green spaghetti with goat cheese. Super delicious, easy to make and fun to eat. For this recipe we need just a handful of ingredients and I'm sure you have in your pantry. It's super easy ingredients: spaghetti, olive oil, black pepper, salt, good quality parmesan cheese, parsley, any parsley, Italian curly parsley, garlic, fresh goat cheese, and of course to make green spaghetti we need some kind of greens. You can use kale or spinach. We're using baby spinach. Let's do it. While my water is boiling, getting to boil, I'm prepping some parmesan cheese. We need nice generous amount, like about 1 cup or so. Let's boil pasta. I'm using whole wheat spaghetti, and make sure the water is really salty. Let's do it. To the blender, add the garlic, parsley with the stems. I just roughly chopped it, just get easier for the blender. And throw it. Super easy to make. And my kids love green. It's fun. Green spaghetti. And whole spinach. It's a lot. Some black pepper. Olive oil. About 3 tablespoons. A little bit of starchy water from boiling pasta. About half cup, and we can adjust later if we need it. And pinch of salt. And two. And now it all comes together in one pot. Let's finish it. That's it, ready. Pasta is ready. It took only a few minutes to cook, like according to your package. I like to cook to al dente and then give it 1 or 2 minutes to cook together with all sauce we create. And I have little helper to taste, right? Oh yes. And a little bit of goat cheese. On top. Okay, just a little bit, and a little bit of olive oil. Yes.
No.
Do you want cracked black pepper? No? Of course not. Do you want taste for me if it's good? Yeah. Doing right. Yummy. I hope you enjoy this recipe and hope you give it to try this recipe soon. And as always, for full recipe in description below, and give me like and subscribe. Bye, see you next time.